Hello and welcome to a new Scrawlrbox video. Today I've just received the April Scrawlrbox. So I'm going to get this open, see what's inside and then make some artwork with the contents. Oh, Scrawlr looks nice. Looks like, I'm going to guess from the artwork on the Scrawlr that it's watercolor pencils. Right, let's see what we've got. Okay, so yeah, definitely Derwent pencils. Some nice colours. And it's Derwent Inktense. I'm hoping these are some of the new colours because I've got the 72 set, but I don't have the new colours that came out not so long ago. Yeah, I think it could be. I don't recognise these colour names. Oh, that'll be brilliant if these are the new colours. So there's pink flamingo, iron blue, olivine, orange sorbet, baked earth and lime green. I don't know. Yeah, I recognise baked earth. That sounds familiar. We've also got a white nylon paintbrush, round number 2 by Pro Art. A tube of Daler Rowney white gouache, which is zinc white, which is brilliant because I don't have this. I do have the other Daler Rowney white, but it's a different white, so I'm pleased I've got the zinc white. Yeah, and I found the Daler Rowney white gouache is actually quite good. And then we've got a Chupa Chups Sticks Sweet. So it's a filled cola flavoured candy. The Scrawlrbox sticker, which matches the Scrawlr. Oh, really cute art print by Maisie Summer. Oh, that's really cute, that. So that's Maisie's information, if you want to check her out. And then we've got an A5 pad of watercolour paper. So I just want to find out if these are new Inktense colours. Yeah, it doesn't really say. I'll scan this QR code to see if it gives me more information. That's the artwork from the previous box. Oh, yeah, it doesn't look like it's been updated. Okay. It's not on yet. I'm going to get my Inktense pencils and see if these are new colours. Flamingo pink. Yeah, that's a new one. I don't have that one. Orange sorbet. Yeah, that's a new one. Baked earth. Recognise this. Yeah, baked earth. That's not a new one. Olivine. I've never heard that one, so I think that one's new. Lime green. Yeah, that's a new one. Don't have lime green. And iron blue. Yeah, that's got to be new. I've never heard that one before, I don't think. Oh, there is an iron blue. So 4 out of the 6 are new colours, so that's brilliant. Right, so I'll have a little look in the Scrawlr magazine. So we've got our page with all the art materials. An interview with the artist, Maisie Summer. Some Scrawlr tips on how to use the materials in the box. More tips. Some artist advice. And then the gallery from Scrawlrbox 102. So this was the metallic watercolour sheets from Viviva. Some absolutely beautiful artwork here from people who participated in the challenge, which was Fire and Ice. Love this one. They're all lovely. Love this one. And this one. And then the top 3. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and this is showing you Maisie's collection of art supplies, which is really interesting. Some more information on the back. And the Scrawlr challenge this month is Hodgepodge. So I like this little brush. That's gorgeous. Six beautiful colours, I really like those. So now I'm going to try some of the zinc white over the top. So it probably won't be very strong because zinc white, as far as I'm aware, is a colour for mixing other colours, so it won't be a strong white. But I'll apply it thickly. I'm going to just squeeze some out on here actually. That is really weak, so I think that could be a little bit of binders came out first. Squeeze some more out. Bloody hell, that is watery as hell. I don't think it should be that weak. I reckon that's probably binder. Get rid of that. Wow, that is either a lot of binder or it's just a lot weaker than I thought it would be. Yeah, I didn't realise how weak zinc white is. That is not really going to have much coverage at all. I'm putting a massive amount on. That's kind of pointless. No good for highlighting. So I'm going to try and use that zinc white to mix with some other colours. So I'll try the olivine first. Add a little bit of the zinc white. We should get a nice pastel green. Try the sorbet orange. Not seeing much point in this. Just not. It's just making it it isn't even making it a pastel, it's just, I don't see the point. Or I just don't know what it's supposed to be used for. Now possibly I've got a faulty tube. I'm just going to squeeze loads out because I don't think it's going to get used. Right, that's just, oh yeah, at the bottom, yeah. We've got some more colour there. So all that was binder. Here we go, we've got a stronger. So I've got rid of all that binder. And we're down to a stronger colour now. There's the strong stuff. Okay, so that was a hell of a lot of binder. See what that dries like. So there's a lot taken out of that tube now. Yeah, I've got more of a, probably got more of a pastel green now. It's very light. Yeah, I think I need more pigment. Try again. So that should be a lovely pastel colour. It's not really any different to using the Inktense just neat as it is and watering it down. Either I don't know how to use zinc white because I've never used it before, or it's just pointless, but I'm not really sure. I'm really pleased with them new Inktense colours. The thing that was really crap was the zinc white, but it's just so dull. I had to put like a really thick application on. So I'm probably going to get a white Posca marker and top that up, make some of those dots a little bit whiter. Yeah, so that's the finished picture. So yeah, absolutely love this box. I just don't like the zinc white gouache. Now in the Scrawlr zine it says a powerful white, bright enough to layer over the matte Inktense pigments. Over the matte Inktense pigment. I wonder if it means to say over the mighty Inktense pigments. But anyhow, it's not a powerful white. I mean, zinc white isn't a powerful white, and this one certainly isn't. This one's really, really weak, and I had to use a thick blob of it, and it's still quite translucent. You can see how it's dried on the palette here, and it's like a creamy colour because it's so thick. There's so much binder in it, it's actually turned creamy. But I absolutely love the brush. I love that little brush. I've got some nylon brushes, but I haven't got one that small. And with it being strong because it's nylon, it gives a good amount of control. And then I'm really pleased that 4 of the Inktense pencils were the new colours because I don't have any of the new colours. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with this box. And that sweet was absolutely delicious. Oh, and it says here about the gouache. If you want to make your paint lighter, mix it with white paint opposed to watering it down. This will prevent the consistency becoming too loose. I don't know what that means. Using a dab of white paint will ensure that your colours are as bright but milky. Gouache is nice and thick so you can layer over for highlights with ease. Well, none of that's true. I did try to make a milky, like pastel consistency, but it didn't work. It's almost just binder. I mean, maybe it's just my tube, I don't know, but there's just like not a cat in hell's chance that you could get bright highlights like this with that tube of paint that I got in my box, no matter how thick you layer it up, because as you can see, this large dot here, the bottom part is a really thick layer of that gouache. The top part, which is a little bit brighter, is where I put Posca marker over the top. Anyhow, the gouache is a load of rubbish, but the rest of the box I really, really love.